Okay, so this is the outside for today. This is where we're at on this. You want to back up maybe, if I can? I guess that's as far back as it'll go. Well, here it is. Yep. That's the master bedroom that we were in. Those two windows. That far left window is the bathroom. And I'll take you into the living room. I'll just do it from this angle. You've seen it a million times. The walls are white because that is a skim coat. And it's probably the thickness, it's really the thickness of whatever paint is, 1/16th, 1/32nd, just not much. That will get a prime coat. And still trying to figure out how the best way to deal with our ceiling situation is. We'll figure out something. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining us. It's Thursday, which is our payday for these guys. Be sure to click like and subscribe. It'd be appreciated. Have a great week, everybody. So the guys have been cultivating a little bit of gardening here, which is pretty cool. This is a, what did you say it was?
Papaya.
Papaya. Not too bad.
Chili.
We've only been here a year, and so did you plant that, or was it here when we got here, Noe?
Just only grown in that area because
It was already growing?
yeah,
Okay. And then you say this is chili?
yeah,
One of these? Which one?
chili and what do you call the lambati, the
Spinach.
Spinach?
peanut.
This one is spinach.
Oh, those are like spinach?
Yeah,
This is chili?
Yeah, this is chili.
Okay. And then now you said this was,
Really brown.
what are these?
Ampalaya in our dialect.
Ampalaya.
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 Laya.
Ampalaya. So I don't really know what that is. You spell it for me. U-M-P...
A.
A? A-M-P?
Yeah, A.
A-M-P-A?
L-A.
L-A?
Y-A.
Y-A. Ampalaya.
Yeah.
And then we had, there's some tomatoes right here. And there was one other thing, right?
Still the same spinach.
More spinach.
Oh, look at this one, Panga. Oh,
What's this?
chili also.
Chili. Okay. Well, that's great. Yeah, the ampalaya really grows. But so does the papaya. I'd probably get a banana tree going too here. So anyway, that's the vegetable gardening for today.
No,